I built this automation that can generate personalized first line, like you can also send call to breaker. So this is the automation that can do on in bulk. To creating this, first of all I save it, and I can guide you. Let's open new scenario on the new tab. So I can open and build in this on a new scenario, and I guide you everything to building this from beginning to end. So you can automate your call to breaker, automate. So you can generate thousands of call breaker at once. You can generate any of them, and you can also send 2000 3000 call email per day. So let's do that. So our scenario is loading. First of all, click on create a new scenario bottom. So we can so first of all we have a lead of data. So we can grab from using clay.com or having a LinkedIn Sales Navigator or Apollo. For this, now I simply add my data on Google Sheet and choose a search raw function. Click on this and click on add bottom and connect to your account. I already connected. Simply choose sign up with Google and your account is connected, and choose your account. Now I need to choose my ID. So my name, my ID name will be clay data. I can import my data from clay. Sheet name will be this, and I want to only simply cross this, and limit will only be 4, not more than that. I can import. Just save it. Now go to tool function. First of all, go to tool function and click on set multiple variables. Click on that. Just save it and double click on this and click on run this module only, and let's only and click on run once, and simply click on this. What is the error that I got? I think everything is fine. Simply cross this. I think everything is fine. That was the error. Click on run this module only, and you can see we got around 4 results from our Google Sheet. Now connect to this one. Now go to here and click on add item. So first name item will be our name. Simply type name, and I simply drag our first name. Then it will be company name. I think I want to import as company domain. I simply copy company domain and I simply paste it here, and I simply type company and just click on plus bottom, and we simply add LinkedIn URL. I simply type LinkedIn, and the value will be dragged from LinkedIn profile, and just save it. Click on run once. Now it covers for output and with set of variable. Now move to the next step. So generating a personalized icebreaker, we use HTTP request and click on make a request. So we want to scrape their website or their LinkedIn. For scraping LinkedIn, we use rapid API called Scrap Ninja. So you can sign up your account on this platform and search Scrap Ninja, or you can visit this URL or create your account. You get around 500 HTTP automation for free, or if you want to, this pricing also affordable. And choose and simply click on subscribe, and just subscribe, just click on there, and you can subscribe on any plan. And now choose on HTTP. when you choose the HTTP. So simply copy the go back to make, and method will be our post. Go back to Rapid API and choose this. I think I am not finding anything like. So just paste this. So let's do the work. Copy the Rapid host, go back make, click on add a header, paste it, and simply paste the API key on the Rapid API. Simply copy the host will be this. Simply copy this, go back make on my workflow and paste the value, click on add a header, and again go to Rapid API, and content type will be this. Simply copy this, paste it here, and this will be, just go again, and this will be application.json. Copy that and paste it, and now host method will be our post. Go again, and host will be this one. Copy this, go back, paste it, https, and simply add dot, and simply add slash, and go to here, and body type will be raw, and content type will be JSON. Go back on Rapid API and paste the, copy this from here to here, and go to make, go to again Rapid API, and simply copy this, paste it, cross this, and drag clicking here on this option. You can see it, and just save it. And simply run once and see the output. I simply click on this, I think this have a problem, or I set up on this wrong way. So I will teach you with website. I can fix it now. Go to on link, and I show you now how can you fix this. Simply on link, and simply click on plus bottom, and choose the HTTP module again, and click on make a request, and URL will be our simply this URL called company, and simply paste it. I simply copy the company data. I think it is not copying. I simply click on run once. You can see, I think this website doesn't have HTTP. So for getting HTTP, we use this function called we simply need to add https to scrap this website. I simply go back and I choose the replace function. I drag it here, so I simply need to drag it here. I think it is not dragging. I simply copy this, cut this, and I paste the value here, and I think I don't know, so I can show with any website. So let's copy this website and go back here. Let's go here and type https dot / and drag website and just save it. Click on run once and see the output. You can see you got the output as HTML. You can see, go to data and see the data of the website that we can scrap. For scrapping LinkedIn, you need to wait. I can solve something. Let's download it. So I can do it in other. So let's continue to the next part. Click on plus module, and the next module will be our text processor. So let's type HTML to text. Click on text processor and click on HTML to text, and output will be this. Click on data and just save it. I want to drag one output as at a time, not that much. I don't want to waste my credit. So just limit only one, just save it. Also save it from here. Click on save anyway. Click on run once and click on run anyway, and see the output. You can see that it is running now. I think it is still running. You can see that it gives us output here like text. So let's only and show you how can you scrap LinkedIn. I can forget. Simply click on online and I drag it here and I simply cancel it. I can also say how can you scrap with website, and now I am teaching how can you scrap LinkedIn. So go back to repeat API and simply copy this much only. Simply copy this and go back to our platform and paste it here. Just save it and click on run once. I think anything problem on so let's paste our API key. I think problem on repeat API key or anywhere. I think I forgot to add API key. Simply paste our API key and go back and simply copy the extra repeat API key. Also copy this, go back, paste it here, just save it, click on run once and wait for output of LinkedIn. You can see I can successfully grab the output and go to data and see. So we want to remove redirects. So redirects called /n that on text prefacing use. So we want to convert this in HTML. So we convert this in HTML. Into I want to remove redirects from text prefacing. I simply type text prefacer and go to replace function and simply click on that. You go to on text function, simply drag it here on text and get it from here. So pattern will be this one. I simply generate with ChatGPT. We can see it. This will be called redirects. There simply I simply write this prompt. I think it is not going up. You can see that. You can tell ChatGPT give me a list of redirects on text prefacing, so it can give you this. Simply copy this much to this much. Simply copy this, go back on make.com and simply paste this, and new value will be our, go to setting, okay, so click on empty string and drag it here, click on global match. If you check the model, you find match rather than stopping, so it can stop, not stopping on first match, it can scrap from ending. And if check the beginning and end character, so it can not just click on yes, click on no, this is not that much sensitive, click on save, also save it from here, click on run once, click on run anyway. Simply drag data from here to here. Just save it and click on run once, click on run anyway. You can see that it is running now and it gave us output based on this, and you can see it can give us remove redirects. You can say prompt text, and this is called redirects. We want to find this and replace from the article, from the LinkedIn. Now we use called Gemini to generate personalized. You can also use ChatGPT or any AI model for generate personalized. I simply use Gemini. Click on Google Gemini API, click on create complemented, and you can connect your API connection. Click on add API key and connect your AI model. And I use GPT 2.5 plus model and click on error message, and the role will be our user, and click on error part, click on message type and click on text, and we simply need to write our prompt. So I already generated prompt for cold email. You can see I simply copy this and go back our mac.com, paste it, and website. So I simply copy from LinkedIn. This is for our LinkedIn account. Simply drag it here and just save it. Click on run once and see the output. So we are getting now output of personalization of cold email. So you want to see how my prompt look like. I simply say right charge. You can also set for I want to sell AI automation service. You can also add on this for AI automation service. So I can simply generate icebreaker only, not for anything like simply you can also copy this prompt. So let's copy in your way, or you can say ChatGPT to generate. Now go back to our automation and see the personalize, and it can give I come across your LinkedIn profile on and was taken to learn more about your LinkedIn more about your professional background. So that was also good. Now save into Google Docs. Click on Docs, click on Summer, click on create document from a template, choose on that, choose your account. So I choose my document ID. So my document ID will be cold email, something like that, cold email here in the first, and the title will be based on name and company name, Daniel of company name. So this is save as like this, and I simply go to Google Drive and choose a folder to save it. I simply click on enter. I want to create a folder of this and just save it. So I click on plus new button and I simply want to create my folder. Click on new folder. So it is loading. I simply use cold mail. I simply save as this. Click on create. Now go back to Mac. Click on choose a folder and Where is this folder? Go to lab network, click on plus. Just cross this, and I think this is not on. Here I simply choose Chromebook wallpaper. Go to slash and click on plus button. And I need to choose folder called mail. Go to my shared with me. Not, I think this is not on shared with me folder. Google share drive, not also on this. This is on my drive. I think I am not finding my folder. So go to map. And I simply need to paste our folder IDs. I simply copy this from here to here. Go back to Mac and paste it. Just save it. So it is now loading with let's just scroll and simply paste our name variable, so it can automatically load as this. So we need to net our first name and icebreaker. So I simply choose my name and the icebreaker will be this. Yeah, this is the result person. Simply drag it here. Let's cross this and again click choose from a folder. I think it is not showing me. To simply slash. I think it is also not showing me. What is the problem with me? I don't know. Just save it. Click on run this module only and just try. Name, company name, result. Just OK and see the output. If it is work, then we can run it 4 times. I think yes. Let's refresh this and if this work. So if this work, we can run it 4 times. I think it is also not showing. What is the problem that I get? Intermediate link, I think. Shared with me, so it can show us some folder version and author is agent. Goal set. Go to my drive and try to find my location. I simply go to home section and I simply click on this and again click on this, open with rename, share, organize. It was shortcut. Auto all location, and I simply go with share with me. Simply go to my drive, simply click on add. Oh my pro god, I am on wrong Google Drive account. So it will give us this type of error. So let's go to our mac.com account. Let's click to choose, and I choose collab netbook and simply save it and click on run once and think what is the problem. Now everything is work. Click on run once and now it saves as icebreaker on Google Drive. Make sure you open right Google Drive, not like me, so you can't get this type of error. So it is now loading. Now I go to creating Google Docs and I simply open my docs. Let's see this is same account or not. Yes, and I saved this on collab netbook, something like this. And I simply open this and you can see Daniel off. This is the same template that we save with. You can see here. Now in next video I can show you how can you send 100 or 1000 of cold email per day. This is the automation that would automate. If I change here 100, so it can save 100 icebreaker. That is the power of automation. It is only take one time, and if you remove Google's data and paste like same and do the work like crazy man.